For our introductory lesson on inferencing, I've already chosen my video on YouTube, so I'm just going to copy and paste the title of this video into Popcorn Maker right over here. Click on Get Media, and it should pull our video right up. So I'm just going to drag and drop it into here. Okay, so we could save this just like it is and have students answer the questions on their own, or we can add our own annotations to the lesson just as a scaffold to help the students out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and look for places where we can add in the questions. So I'm just going to hit play here.
Have you ever heard
and scroll to a section
David Shannon?
that needs a question here.
There's the title page. What does the picture on this page look like to you? What is the woman's foot doing? Who do you think that woman is?
So this is a good inferencing question. Who do you think that woman is? And she asked a couple of questions to scaffold the students thinking about who this woman is. So I'm just going to go back to the beginning of this page and add in the question so students can think about it while they listen. So I'm going to go over here to our events and add a pop-up right there. And just add a question. Who do you think that woman is? And you can edit it any way you want. You can pull it wider, move it around. Then I'm going to go down here and make it longer. And I'm going to play the video just to make sure that it's only on that page.
What is the woman's foot doing? Who do you think that woman is?
Okay, so I'm going to make it a little bit shorter so it fits just on that page of the book. Then I'm going to listen page by page and decide where I want to place my annotations. Now, you could do every page if you want and give students a set number of questions to choose from, or you could do just a few and have students answer all of them, however you think is best. So I'm just going to add a few more examples here. Play here.
Oh no, what is David doing in this picture?
I think we're going to skip this page here.
What is David standing on? What is David reaching for? What do you think could happen that has not happened in this picture yet?
Okay, so this is a good chance for students to make an inference here, and she gives good scaffolding with her questions. So I'm going to add another event here in the form of a pop-up and just type in my question. And just make it a little bigger so students can see it better. Then I'm going to make sure that it's only on this page.
You think could happen that has not happened in this picture yet?
Okay, so you could keep going through the whole book. Like I said, put your annotations where you want. I'm just going to save this so we can go on to the next part of the lesson. You go up here and you click on Save, and you give it a title. And put in a description here, and then just click Save. So once you have an account, any makes you complete go right here into your My Make section. So if you click on My Makes. You can see it's right here. We're going to click on that, and it'll pull it up just like this. Now, if we press play, the video will play with all of the annotations that we made.
Have you ever heard a grown-up say, "No"? Have you ever done something that would make a grown-up say that? And then it's also, what does the picture on this page look like?
There is our annotation. So each of the ones that you add in will show up. Then you can copy the link in the address bar up here, and you could paste it into whatever website you're sharing with the children, whether it's your classroom blog or Google+. You paste that in there, and then students can click on it, and it'll bring them right to this page. And then they can go up in this corner here and click on Remix. It'll bring them right to the popcorn maker like we had. And when they get to the questions, they can just add their own events with a pop-up in order to answer the question. Okay. Now, once students add in all their answers to the questions that are required, they can save it to their own account, and you could either have them share it to the classroom website or just leave it as part of their own account, and you can go into each individual account and review their makes. And that is the end of our inferencing lesson.